so we are back. I put 2 coats of Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint and Aviary on this cute little table, and now I'm ready to wax. Just for a little calming, relaxing while I wax, I'm going to use our Lavender Scented Furniture Wax and our medium wax brush. I'm going to get a fair amount on here because I'm going to start with the top. And I just sort of like to put it on, really work it in and spread it out. And then I go in full kind of strokes across the top. So you want to really, you know, work the wax in so that all of the area is covered and all the little edges and whatnot are good to go. I chose clear for this. A lot of times I'll use a hint of antiquing. I decided to go just sort of with the basic today. But yeah, so once I get it worked pretty well through the top, I'm gonna go back with a lint-free shop towel and sort of wipe it through. I don't want to really buff at this point because it's a tabletop. I'm gonna do a second coat of wax. So stay tuned. For the finished project, I'm just gonna kind of work this all around into the different grooves and whatnot for the rest of the table. And I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.